First of all, I would like to say Assalamu alaikum. My name is Faizan. Dear friends, dear brothers and sisters, some people have this question that why is education important for life and what change can education bring in life? So today, I will tell you some facts about education. Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. Dear friends, dear brothers and sisters, we must work, not wait. Not just the politicians and the world leaders. We all need to contribute. Me, you, we. It is our duty. We realize the importance of light when we see darkness. We realize the importance of our voice when we are silenced. In the same way, when we were in Swat, the north of Pakistan, we realized the importance of pens and books. When we saw the guns, why is it that countries which we call strong are so powerful in creating war but are so weak in bringing peace? Why is it? Why is it that giving gun is so easy but giving books is so hard? Why is it? Why is it that making tank is so easy but building school is so hard? One child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the world. Education is only solution. Education first. Education first. Thank you.